Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, all signs. Okay, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so yeah, you can check your other placements. Okay, your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, and North Node kung alam ninyo. Okay, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung kayo ay interesado sa ating mga protection from evil eye, so ito yung isa sa ating evil eye bracelet. This is the all-in-one evil eye bracelet. Ito po yung adjustable. Ito naman yung isa. So, hang on. Okay, so here. Okay, so ito yung garter eye. So, dalawa yung ating evil eye bracelet. Okay, so yung isa naman is yung ating evil eye ring, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and adjustable yung ating ring. And ito namang ating evil eye necklace. Okay, so ganyan siya. Okay, again, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender. Okay, para may adjust yung length ng chain, pero pwede naman gumamit ng ibang chain kung gusto. And ano pa ba? Yeah, yun lang ang ating evil eye items. Okay, so for protection from evil eye. So ito naman yung ating love bracelet for singles and sa mga may conflict, okay, sa kanilang mga kakonek, mga karelasyon. Okay, so kung anong kailangan i-provide doon sa situation ninyo, yun ang ipoprovide nitong ating love bracelet. Okay, so kung may iba pang tanong pagdating sa ating love bracelet is mag-chat na lang po, no? Okay, so ito naman yung ating granter. Okay, so si granter, this is unisex. Okay, non-tarnish, yeah, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long yung chain. Pwedeng gumamit ng ibang chain kung gusto naman po, no? Mahalaga lang dito is tong kanyang pendant. Okay, sa pendant, nandyan yung acrylic. Naka-acrylic po yan, ha, parang glass, front and back. Okay, so made to order ang ating granter. So mas maganda kung order, magsabi na agad para maisama sa mga nagpapagawa. Okay, so yun lamang. And syempre yung ating new item for cleansing. Okay, hindi ko pa talaga ang tawag dyan, na ipopost. Okay, so yeah, kapag nagkaroon na ng chance, tsaka natin ipopost. Pero yeah, okay. Kung may mga tanong, message na lang po. Okay, and syempre sa mga interesado na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message na lang kayo sa kanya pong FB page. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi po tayo magme-message. Okay, si Kuya Dingsi, pwede siya sa tawag dyan, spiritual, sa physical, yan. Okay, gumagawa siya ng kulam, ng may mga sanib. Okay, yun po, ha. Okay, so let's start the reading. Okay, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, anong kailangan yung malaman? Don't forget, syempre, na mag-like, share, and subscribe, ha? Oo, number 1. O, diba? Okay, let's see. Okay, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay for air signs. Let's see. Okay. The 5 of Cups. What's that? The King of Swords. Some of you, you'll hear someone's passing. Okay? Yeah. Pero this is a sad energy, I think. A sad energy. Someone's passing. That's so specific. Okay? There's this water sign na pwedeng nagre-regret if ever nakinat off mo to. Okay? Kung meron kayong kinat off, in general, they're regretting it. They're regretting something. Okay? Yeah. What else? Meron ditong nalulungkot dahil hindi ka nakakausap. What else for air signs? Ah, the Page of Swords. Someone is watching you. Okay, you're being watched. Yeah, you're being watched. You have a stalker, some of you. What's this Page of Swords? Meron ako dito nakikita na someone is, waiting to see you na magregret or something like as simple as mag-post ka ng sad quotes or sad something. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, what's with this Page of Swords? Justice. Okay, some of you, you'll get a message na pwedeng kung anong hinihintay mo. Something like legal. Okay? Yeah. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, meron ditong ma-accept or meron ditong pwedeng ma-approve. Okay, I'm seeing here loans. Okay, I'm seeing here loans. Yeah. Kung ano man yung hinihintay mo na message, you'll get it. Yes, you will get it. Okay? Iba sa inyo, ito, specific. Kung sino man yung gusto nyong makausap, this week, okay? Bibigyan ko kayo ng timeline. This week, kung sino man yung gusto nyong makausap, makakausap nyo. Nakikita ko rito. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So, what else? Meron dito talagang gustong makipag-usap sa'yo. They like you though. Yeah, they like you. This person likes you. Pwedeng Libra. Water signs. Okay. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What else for air signs? Okay, the High Priestess. How's that? The Three of Swords. Some of you, your intuition is kicking. Your intuition is telling you na there's something na sabihin natin kailangan mong i-avoid in general. Okay? Kasi magkokos lang to ng pain. Something like, yeah. What's this Three of Swords? What's this? Yeah. The Nine of Swords. Some of you, if you're in a relationship pero ang feeling mo is niloloko ka, then your intuition is sabihin natin on point. Okay? I'm sorry, pero yeah, I don't know. Kasi iba sa inyo nakikita ko parang kunyari, ay baka hindi ganon, ay baka ganto, ganyan. Gumagawa pa ng ibang dahilan, parang ganyan. Okay? Pero yeah, your intuition is telling you kung anong meron. Yeah, see, makakuha ka ng mga senyales. Okay? Makakuha ka ng mga senyales na tama ang kutob mo. Okay? Meron ditong gustong tao talaga na gusto niya makipag-usap, gusto niya mag-reach out. Someone is afraid to get caught. Someone will need your help. They're in pain. They're stressed. Okay? Someone may kukuha or may hihingi ng advice mo. Or maybe you are. Okay? What is this? The Queen of Wands. About a person. Okay? Someone may magre-reach out or sabihin natin may mag-open up sa'yo about another person. Maybe. Yeah. Meron ding energy na pwedeng may mag-share ng hinanaing nila sa buhay. May ganon. This is secret pero yeah, they will trust you. Okay? I'm seeing here, yeah, they will trust you. Kasi talagang hirap na to. Okay? Okay. about their connection, about a relationship. May mag-share sa'yo something like anong meron sa kanila, something like that. Okay? So, well, yun ang aking nakikita. Okay, so next is fire signs. Okay, hi fire signs. So again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's see. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Mensahe, energy check-ins, gabay, prediction. Tingnan natin. Okay? For you, fire signs. Fire sign placements. Okay. Okay. The Eight of Swords in reversed. You will get an answer. Okay? Something na makakapagpa-release sa'yo sa stress or sa pag-iisip. Okay? That's specific. Yeah. Meron ditong makaka-release na sa stress, sa pag-iisip. Okay? Yeah. Someone is overthinking. Someone is confused. Okay? What is this? Okay, Two of Wands in reverse. Yung iba rito ha, specific. This is regarding travel, okay? Pwedeng travel. May chance ng may makakakuha na ng travel visa. May chance na ganun. Okay? Iba dito talagang matagal na to. Tagal na naghihintay, pero actually nakikita ko pwede na magagrant na something, may magagrant. Okay? Someone will make an action towards you. Air, Pisces. Okay? But yeah, I think nakikita ko i-welcome mo to kung ano man yan. Okay. What else for fire signs? Again, the Five of Swords. So, what's with that? Five of Swords in reverse. Getting out of stress, getting out of conflicts. Mga ganyan. Okay? What is that? Some of you, meron ditong gusto makipag-ayos. An air sign. Okay? The Judgment in reverse. I think this is an energy of a closure. Okay? Closure. Yeah. Take that as a sign. That sound. That beep. Okay. Yeah. The Knight of Wands in reverse. So, may chance na hindi mo na dapat pang hinayangan to. Okay? Hindi mo na kailangan bumalik sa mga sitwasyon or tao na nagbigay sa'yo ng stress. Okay? Some of you, kapag ginagawa mo yon, there's this stability coming in. Hindi lang makapasok, hindi lang makapunta sa'yo kasi nadadaganan. Okay? Nasa ilalim. Kasi nandito pa eh. Yung mga sitwasyon or tao na nagbibigay ng, sabihin nating, walang kapararakan na energy. Ha? Okay? So, yeah. This is nice. A nice energy. Getting out of a cycle. Okay? Cycle. What else for fire signs? Okay, let's see. The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. How's your health? Mga fire signs. What is this? Okay. Some of you, you have to focus. Or sabihin nating magkaroon ng kaunti ang ang tawag dyan, oras, no? Pagdating sa health mo. Okay? I don't know if you have to, sabihin nating magkaroon ng oras, no, maglakad-lakad, something like that, yeah. Okay? Kailangan mong, I don't know, something like bigyang pansin yung health mo. Okay? Meron dito, yeah, this is so specific. Okay? Ayaw natin gumastos sa ospital. Okay? Be healthy. The Queen of Pentacles in reverse is talking about health. Okay? Kung kailangan natin kumain ng tama, iwasan yung mga hindi dapat, gawin mo. Okay? Why the Queen of Pentacles? Yeah, I'm not a doctor, pero yeah, nakikita naman dito. Okay? Queen of Pentacles in reverse. What's this? Yeah, see? Empress. Some of you, this is telling me, this is specific. Okay? May chance na yung iba sa inyo is you're wanting na mag-conceive, na maging preggy. No? Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, kailangan muna na mag-bed rest. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan na is something like parang iminti na. Parang ganyan. Okay? Give or sabihin natin take opinions from mga tao. Sabihin natin, yeah, doctor. Okay? Kailangan nyo pumunta ng doktor. Parang ganyan. Kasi iba rito, medyo nahihirapan pagdating sa pagbubuntis or pagdating sa pagko-conceive. Mapababae, mapalalaki. Kung ikaw nahihirapan ka na makabuo kayo ni partner mo, yeah, may something. Kailangan nyo kumuha ng opinion, okay, sa mga may alam, okay, sa mga may knowledge about this. Okay? So, yeah. Okay. Six of Pentacles. Some of you, there's this energy ng sabihin nating a mother or a father who is stressed. Okay? They're stressed. Meron silang nararamdaman pero hindi nila sinasabi. That's specific. Kung meron pa kayong mga magulang, okay, check them. Kumustahin nyo. Okay? Iba sa kanila may mga dinaramdam pero hindi nagsasabi. Yeah. Okay? Magkaroon ng general check-up maybe. Ipa-check up nyo. Okay? So, yeah. See? Hindi sila nagsasabi. Justice in reverse. Hindi sila nagiging patas. Okay? Something like hindi sila nagiging open. Maybe. So, there's something na kailangan makita. Okay po. So, yun ang aking nakukuha for you. Fire sign. So, that's a gabay. Okay. Next. Water signs. Okay. Water signs. Okay. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Water signs. Anong kailangan nyong malaman? Mensahe, gabay, energy check-ins, prediction. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see. Let's check. Ano bang meron for you, water signs? Oh, the Magician. Opportunities. Manifestations. May mga tao na gustong kumonek. May mga gustong makipag-usap. Okay, what's that? The Queen of Cups in reversed. Anong meron dito sa Queen of Cups na naka-reversed? Hang on. Sandali lang po sandali lang. Okay. So, sorry naman. Oo, sa inyo na naman natigil. Okay. Sa water sign na naman, no? Oo, pasensya na po, Okay. So, okay. The Magician, the Queen of Cups in reverse. Tingnan natin. Okay. Ano tong Queen of Cups in reverse na to? May mga taong pumipigil ng magagandang energy papunta sa inyo, May mga ganun. What's this Queen of Cups in reverse? Yeah. See? The Eight of Wands. May mga tao dito na parang nakakaramdam din ng jealousy. Okay? Some of you. Kung ikaw itong parang gawa ka ng gawa, okay, and nakikitaan ka ng improvement, huwag nyo i-welcome yung mga ganitong klase ng energy na lumalapit sa inyo, okay? Ito yung mga taong magpapababa ng energy mo, okay? They're like energy vampires. Yeah. Dumistansya kayo, okay? Some of you, nakakausap mo itong taong to. Okay? Ito yung tao na akala mo talagang todo suporta, pero hindi. Okay? Yeah. Huwag ka mag-alala, hanggat hindi mo hinahayaan na maapektuhan ka, tuloy at tuloy pa rin ang mga blessings. Okay, some of you, this is your friend. Okay? Na hindi totoo sa'yo. Sa madalit salita, plastic. Okay? So, yeah. Meron na naman itong kaiinggitan sa'yo kasi may nakita ko parating na namang bago. Okay? A blessing, an opportunity. Okay? So, yeah. Okay. So, tingnan natin. What else for water signs? The devil. Who is this? Ano tong the devil? The Three of Wands in reversed. Okay, kailangan nyo raw iwasan talaga yung mga energy na nagbibigay ng katoksikan. Okay, kailangan yung iwasan. Yeah, para dito. Okay, I think water signs, yung energy nyo is paangat. Okay, kaya nandyan yung mga sabihin nating hindi magagandang nakapaligid. Okay, I don't know why. Sinasabihan, unang card mo kasi Magician. This is talking about energy na pwedeng magmamanifest. Okay? So, every time na may mga gandang mangyayari sa'yo, or kahit ano, na pwedeng mangyari, na dumarating, offer kung ano man, andyan yung mga tao nakapaligid or something like energies na manggugulo. Iwasan nyo, okay? Iwasan nyo. See? We have here pera. A new beginning. Something like that. Okay? Kailangan nyo muna or kailangan nyong iwasan talaga yung mga magbibigay ng hindi magandang energy pagdating sa'yo. Some of you have to avoid a third party connection. Okay? Para maging okay yung daloy ng frequency mo. Okay? Ano tong the devil? Para maging specific. The Ace of Cups in reverse. Some of you, this is talking about a connection na hindi naman nagsaserve ng maganda. Okay? Pero nandoon yung sex. Something. Pwedeng, the sex is great. Okay? Pero, ang nakukuha ko rito is hindi ito nagsaserve ng maganda sa'yo. Hindi ito nagsaserve ng maganda. Kahit sabihin natin na nandyan yung happiness. Pero ang nakukuha kong happiness dito is hindi genuine. Okay? The Eight of Cups. Ang nakukuha ko rito, hindi mo to malayuan. Okay? Hindi mo malayuan to. Hindi mo kayang i-let go, hindi mo kayang ibigay kung kanino man. Something like that. Okay? So, kapag inalis mo yan, sabihin ko sa'yo na magiging okay yung direction. Yung sabihin nating ruta mo. Okay? Wala there's this obsession. Okay? May mga kapamilya ka na kailangan mong iwasan. Kaso nga lang, syempre, relatives mo to, kadugo mo to, paano natin iiwasan, no? Anyway, kahit ano naman kahit sino naman kung nagbibigay sa'yo ng burden, you have to drop it. Okay? Yeah. What else? Water signs. Days of Wands in reversed. A delay. Specific delays in travel. What's this Ace of Wands in reversed? What? The Ace of Swords in reverse. Meron ditong marireject. I don't know if this is talking about a visa. Okay? there's this energy of a new beginning na pwedeng ma-reject. Okay? Meron ditong someone na pwedeng mag-reach out, wanting na magkaroon ng forgiveness or something like pakikipag-ayos. Pero ang sinasabi ni universe is wag na muna or wag na. Okay? Yeah. The 7 of Cups. Some of them, they're still too immature. Okay? Nandyan lang yung sorry. Okay? Pero, yung sorry na yun is salita lang. Wala kang makikita sa action nila. Okay? There's this rejection. Some of you, you're in a situation or a connection na pwedeng sex-based lang. On, off. Okay, ano tong Ace of Wands in reversed? Ang daming delays. Ang daming gustong humarang sa energy mo. Kung ano man to. Don't let them in, ha? Yung mga nakaka-apekto, don't let them in. Yeah. Parang ito yung something na nag-hold back ng magagandang oportunidad. Okay? Or maybe, some of you, you're still holding on into something na pwedeng kailangan na dapat i-release. Okay? It's like parang dagdag ng damit mo sa closet mo. Okay? Kaya tambak. Like that. Hindi na aalis. Yung iba naman, sa sobrang dami, hindi na nag-aalis ng damit, wala na nangyayaring, wala nang nabibiling bago. Something like that. Ganun yung energy. Okay? You have to release something. Para may mag-open rin. Some of you, meron ditong gustong makipag-ayos, sa totoo lang. Pero they don't know how. They don't know kung anong sasabihin sa'yo. Okay? Meron din ditong hindi handa na magkaroon ng new beginning with you. They're not ready. Emotionally maybe or mentally. Okay? They're not sure. Nandun yung they're not sure. Okay? So, yeah. Meron ditong mga energy na gusto makipag-ayos pero hindi magawa. Okay? Nandun yung takot. Nandun yung pride, maybe. Okay? So, there. Some of you, eto dagdag ko pa. Andyan yung you have to save. Okay? May nakita ko dito, may mga magse-save for a travel. Okay? So, next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. So again, please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, Earth signs. So, ano ba ang kailangan mong malaman? Okay. Malaman, energy check-ins, mensahe, energy check-ins, gabay, prediction for you, Earth signs. Okay. Earth signs. One more. Earth signs. Okay. The moon. Okay. Energy ng surprise. Energy ng secrets. Something is being hidden. What's with this? The moon. The 9 of... Oh. There's this someone who is secretly admiring you. They're sad because hindi ka nila makuha. Yeah, a younger person. They're not communicating. Pero nandun yung sabihin natin, maybe they're watching you. Okay, they're looking you. They're watching you. Yeah. Yeah, the sun in reverse. They're sad. They're sad. Some of them gusto kang lang makita. Okay. What's this 9 of Cups in reversed? 9 of Cups in reversed. Yung energy kasi is hindi kanila, sabihin natin, hindi man lang nila matry na makausap ka, parang ganyan, or something like yung energy is nalulungkot sila kasi hindi kanila makita, hindi kanila makausap, hindi kanila makuha. Yeah, see, the magician in reversed. May energy rito okay. Andito yung energy na pwedeng kapit na sa patalim okay. Andun na yung may nagpapagawa na ng ritual. Yeah, the hermit is here. May nagpapagawa na ng ritual dito. May gumagawa ng ritual. I don't know. Okay, or maybe someone is manifesting a specific person, I think. Okay. Yeah, again, a younger person. They're disappointed. They're upset. Kung hindi ka lang nakakausap man lang. Something like that. Okay. Some of you, there's this hidden connection. A lot of confusion is here. Merong nananabutahe ng energy mo, earth signs. Okay? Yung mga gumagawa ng may mga nagma-manifest dito. Pero hindi nyo alam, may mga bumabato ng hindi magandang energy sa inyo. Okay? Protect your own energy. So, nasasabotahe. Okay? Nasasabotahe yung energy ng pagmamanifest mo. Okay? May chance na hindi mo makuha yung minamanifest mo or matagalan. Okay? What else? Earth signs. Yeah. The Knight of Pentacles. Some of you, ina-advise ka na mag-save. Okay? Pera. What's this Knight of Pentacles? Some of you may mga paggagamitan ka in general. Paggagamitan ng pera. Okay? In the future. Some of you, andyan yung pag-i-invest, I guess. You have to invest your pera. Okay? Hindi natin kailangan na parang iisa lang yung parang source ng income, parang ganun. Energy mo is kailangan hindi naka-stuck lang. Okay? Parang kailangan mong pumunta sa kahit parang energy na kailangan mong mag-step up, kailangan mong magkaroon ng wide na kaalaman pagdating sa pamemera mo. Hindi mo kailangan, hanggang dito lang yung pera ko. Parang, okay, sapat na to. Parang ganyan. Sinasabihan ka kasi rito na kailangan mong i-grow yung kaperahan mo. Okay? Yeah. What's this Seven of Cups? Some of you, you'll be busy. Okay? Magiging busy ka eventually. Temperance. Yeah. Saving. Okay. Some of you, may chance na magkakaroon of something like specific. Nandiyan yung energy na pwedeng magiging unemployed. Okay? So, may chance na some of you, ikaw itong aalis sa work mo and magsasettle na lang sa pagkakaroon ng business or small business. Parang ganun. Okay, hindi mo hahayaan yung sarili mong nandyan ka na lang sa pinagtatrabahuhan mo. Parang, wala ka na magagawa Parang nakapako ka na dun. Okay, so darating yung punto na makakapag-isip ka. Okay? Na iba pang plano pagdating sa pamemera mo. Okay, so, that's nice. This is a gabay. Okay, this is a gabay. So, may chance na hindi pa ito nangyayari or, mangyayari pa lang. Okay? Kailangan mong maging ready. You have to be ready. Financially. Okay? What else? improving the way of living. I don't know kung ano yun. What else? For earth signs, somebody is waiting patiently for you. They're confused. Kaya hindi sila gumagawa ng action towards you right now. Okay, the star in reversed. What is that? What's that? Star in reversed. The Two of Wands in reversed. Taking action. Taking actions. Okay. Ano tong the star in reversed? I think some of you magkakaroon ng sabihin nating lesson learned. Okay? Andun yung word na lesson learned. Sa future, bago kayo gumawa ng action. Okay? Ano tong the star in reversed? Yeah, the King of Cups. I think this is talking about a connection or something like iba sa inyo, you're too kind. Okay? Maybe nandyan yung matututo na kayong magbigay ng limit. Okay? Magagawa mo nang mag-say no as an answer. Okay? Yeah. Limits. Okay, yeah, the Sun in reverse. This is a no. Pera. Some of you, hindi na ikaw itong magiging palaging open para sa iba. Like financially. Okay, matututo ka eh. I don't know why. So, I guess, magiging okay naman if ever. Yeah, magiging guarded. Ano tong Two of Wands? In reverse. What's this? Two of Wands in reverse. Yeah. So, I think this is an energy na sabihin nating hindi ka na rin masyadong magiging emotional. Okay? Or soft. Pagdating sa mga sitwasyon. I don't know. May matututunan ka eh. Okay? This is stepping up. And I think kailangan rin naman to. Hindi pa laging open. Hindi pa laging yes. Hindi pa laging sige. Parang ganun eh. Matututo kang humindi. Matututo kang magkaroon ng limit. Okay? Sabihin nating healthy na pagiging selfish. Okay? Hindi ko ma-explain eh. Oo. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, see? Ito yung issue. Babaliktad na. Para sa, sabihin nating mas gumaan-gaan pa. For the better. Kaya mo to gagawin. Okay? For the better. Parang kailangan mo pa talagang matuto. Bago mo to makita, bago mo to maramdaman. Some of you, this is talking about a connection. Okay? Na kung kailan ubos ka na, tsaka ka lang makaka-realize na, okay, this is it, pansit. I have to move on. I have to distance myself from these people, from this situation. And then, yeah, doon ka na mag-start mag-heal. Eventually. Okay? Being guarded. Yeah. Yeah. Ang dami mo namang re-reject. Andun yung sabihin nating ang daming mangyayaring pagbabago. In general. Okay? Money-wise, love-wise. Okay? Yeah. So, this is for the better, for the best, I guess. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!